Hello, so it's arrived. The blanks are just there to cover up my details on the front. So this should be my silver play button. So I'll do it as an actual unboxing video, because why not? You're not going to get something like this very often. The weight of this is pretty hefty, so what I'm just going to do is use a screwdriver just to cut the tape. It looks like this is going to come open pretty easily because of the fact that obviously it's a sort of fairly hefty box. So I assume now I just need to get that little bit that's there. And typically, right, let me just put the camera down a second, because this is like a live unboxing. Because my details are on both sides, I'll just need to cut into this bit here, which is again a bit awkward. So what I'm going to do is just flip this over and then do this. So now I can pop those back there. Didn't plan on that, you see, because it's a proper unboxing. I can now do this and flip open this. There we go. Right, so let's see what we've got. We've got a bit of film there. A certificate type thing. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievements and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, if you have any questions, please contact us at YouTube creatorsocieetyawards.com. Cool. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do. Oh, I remember some of them, but normally with subscribers, I more remember when you have somebody that's actually interesting, that subscribes, where they, comment about stuff or whatever, or make their own videos. Because in that scenario, you actually remember more than just a number milestone. And also because YouTube doesn't say this particular subscriber was this one on your milestone. Anyway, so let's see if they spelt my name right on it. There we go. Weapons and Stuff 93, rather than Weapons Sand Stuff 93. But yes, good, they've spelt it correctly. So here we go, look. There is, see, it reflects me. Ooh, there is a big, shiny silver play button. Can I, with one hand, open this? Yes, I can, sort of. Ooh. Yeah, there we go, look. So, thank you very much to everybody that's subscribed. I am going to do a proper 100k special at one point, as a lot of you know. But at the moment, with everything going on with Ukraine and everything, I don't really feel like doing it at the moment. I'll just do some, more light-hearted videos. Although that would be a light-hearted, you know what I mean. And yes, so there we are. Very nice.